いや本当にこれをこうして次にこうするとこうなる。全然できてねー。
It's the first Wednesday in a month, which means we are back in the kitchen for another episode of Cooking with Theo. And since we haven't done anything sweet in the series yet, let's go and make some choux cream or cream puffs from the newly finished Harry Potter meets One Punch Man anime, MASHLE. Let's start with the dough. After heating up the oven to 200 degrees, we will start by boiling some water and butter in a small pot. Meanwhile, mix some cornstarch with flour. After the water starts boiling, take it from the heat and pour the dry ingredients in and start mixing as much as you can until you get a smooth ball of dough. After that, place the pan back on the heat and keep on mixing for another minute. Place the dough back into your bowl and mix up to eggs on the highest setting your hand mixer has. Add the baking powder after the whole thing has cooled down a bit and fill it into your piping bag. Now make palm-sized piles of dough and let it bake for about 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Also make sure to cut the lids off when the pastry is still hot. Now let's go and make the fillings. I decided to make 3 different kinds, like in the ending song of the anime, but you can totally just do one. For that we will be making 1 vanilla custard cream and 1 with chocolate, as well as some normal whipped cream with strawberries. For the custard cream, pour some milk into a pot and cut open a vanilla bean lengthwise. Let both of them heat up, but don't let it start boiling. As soon as bubbles form on the walls of the pot, take it off from the heat. While the milk cools down a bit, separate the eggs and milk the yolk with the sugar until it becomes a lighter shade. Now add some cornstarch and mix until smooth. I divided the batter into 2 bowls here, because in one I will be adding some cacao powder before adding the vanilla milk. To avoid adding any kind of vanilla or sheer fiber, I put it first through a strainer. Also make sure to only pour a bit of the hot milk into the egg mix to avoid them from curdling. After mixing in all the milk, let's place them into the pot again and cook them on medium heat. Make sure to stir continuously, because the cream will start getting firm after a couple of minutes and you don't want to let it get clumpy or burn. After it's all nice and thick, add some butter and place it into another bowl to cover with some wrap and let it all sit until cool. For the chocolate cream, let's cut up some dark chocolate and repeat the same as before, until it too is nice and creamy. I spared you how I mixed up some whipped cream and jumped right into filling the cream puffs, which was actually a lot of fun, but see for yourself. And that's it! Thank you all for watching. If you liked today's video, please leave a like, or if you don't want to miss next month's cooking video, consider subscribing. And I will see you all next time. Ciao!